Watergen, water from air for RVs. When you don't trust the quality of the drinking water. When you want to spend more time camping off-grid and a source of drinking water is not available. When you need to store a bulk of bottled water in your trunk. From now on, you don't need to worry about your drinking water when you travel. Watergen's atmospheric water generator. Watergen has developed the first onboard atmospheric water generator. The upper unit is aerodynamic. It fits all aftermarket RVs and mobile homes and doesn't depend on the RV's velocity for water production. The RV atmospheric water generator is an independent system that works on a 12-volt power source supplied directly from a vehicle battery or any other electrical source. Atmospheric air is drawn into the system using a designated built-in blower. The air passes through Watergen's proprietary patented heat exchange that condenses it to water. The water created goes through purification and mineralization food-grade filtration systems and is stored in a built-in reservoir in the RV. Hot and cold, premium, tasty water is ready and available to drink at all times. Water generator, purifier, filter, and dispenser, all in one convenient solution. No need to buy and store plastic bottles anymore. Watergen, creating drinking water from air for people everywhere.